Hello guys, today we are going to unbox this Baby Star Carousel toy. This is a nice, cool looking toy. If you are a collector, this is really a nice one. Let's open and see what we have. Get the knife. This is the main piece. You can see we have this panda bear and the carousel. Let's cut it and see what else in here. I think we need to open from the bottom. Here we have it. This looks really fun. A lot of fun toy, fun time. You would put the panda here and start to turn it. So this, and it's turning like crazy. A lot of fun actually. So this is basic things. You can just twist from the top, and the seats are spinning like crazy. You can really turn it fast. And this is the bottom part. I guess somehow you can place on the ground. If you have the other pieces, you can just combine them and let the other pieces sit there and enjoy with it. I hope the kids will like it. Thank you for watching.